This is Rob with Insurance Sales Lab, and in this video, I'm going to go over one of the most important SOPs that you need in your agency and how to add it to our SOP Vault. Now, before I show you the mechanics and what the topic is, let me first explain where the SOP Vault was born. So in our agency, we have a service team, as I'm sure you do, and you might be going through something very, very similar to us, where the same questions keep coming up over and over and over again, and every time it's asked, someone has to take time away from what they're doing to answer that question and show someone how to do it. And we realized that we needed a system in place. So what we started doing was we would use a software called Loom, where we could record our screen and our audio, and we would show people exactly how to handle that question or handle that task. And what we would do is we would take the Loom link that it would spit out at us, and we would drop that in a Google spreadsheet so that over time, if someone had that question again, they would go to the sheet, watch the video, and they would get their answer. And that worked for a really long time, but even that wasn't the final solution because it wasn't secure and it got a little disorganized over time. So that is where the SOP Vault was born. Now, let's jump into the SOP Vault here, and I'm going to show you two really quick things. One, a finished category in the Vault. So this is what it looks like when it's completely finished. We have a sales category here. We can click on that sales category. And then we have a topic in there on how to quote a homeowner's policy. So we can click on that topic. And then we have a video going over exactly how to quote a homeowner's policy in our agency. So on your end, if you get the same questions that pop up about quoting, you can record a quick video, drop it in the Vault, and now they can watch that as many times as they need to. And you could record a bunch of other SOPs that you need. So every question you get, you write it down, record a video, drop it in the Vault. Everything related to sales goes in that category. Now, you also have a service team, so we need a service category. And this is where we're gonna go over one of the most important SOPs that you need in your agency. So we're gonna go to Manage Content here, and we're gonna use our quick actions on the side. We're gonna add a new category. And then at the top here, we have some quick start categories. We're gonna choose the service category. And what that does is it fills in the name, the description, the appearance, so the color and the icon that we use. On the right-hand side, it'll show us who has access, the target audience, and then how the team will complete this category. From there, we just hit publish, and boom, we are good to go. Now what we have to do is add a topic, and this is one of the most important topics you need in your agency. We hit add topic. We keep it in the service category. We're gonna create a custom topic, and we're gonna name it, ready for this? Cancellations. We'd give it a brief description if we need, but that's pretty straightforward. We select an icon. On the right-hand side, we're gonna keep the access the same. We're gonna keep the target audience the same and completion the same. From there, we hit publish. Boom, we're done. We got the cancellations topic in there. Now we actually need to add the content. So we're gonna hit add page, and we're gonna name this how to work inbound requests. That's really important. If someone calls in to cancel, how do we handle that? So we're gonna add a video here. And what we've done is we've already recorded a Loom video on how we do that in our agency. We're gonna drop that link right in there. Boom, super easy. But that's not all they need. They also need the script. So we're gonna go over here to the right-hand side, and we're gonna hit add file, and we're gonna upload our cancellations script. So boom, it's uploaded, we're good to go. We can hit publish. Now from there, we're gonna go back to our homepage, and we see we have sales, but now we have service. And now we have the topic of cancellations. And then look at that, we have a video on how to handle inbound requests, and we can download the script there. So that's how you add one of the most important SOPs to the SOP Vault. Hopefully that video was helpful, and we believe that the SOP Vault will be a game changer for your agency, so much so that we wanna incentivize you to start using it right away. Here's what we're gonna do. For those that become members of Insurance Sales Lab, we're gonna give you pre-built categories and topics that you can import into your agency. So for the sales side, how to quote a homeowner's policy, quote an auto policy. For the service side, how to handle cancellations, how to make a change on a policy, how to add or remove coverage. And then for the agency in general, an employee handbook topic. So all you have to do is read the topic, record a video of how to do that in your agency, drop it in there, and you're done. it's in your agency, ready to go. So if that sounds interesting to you, click the link in the description below this video and you'll get access to the gift.